Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You need the right driver active before anything else. Open Options Audio Settings and pick an ASIO driver such as ASIO for All or your audio interface ASIO. This provides low latency, stable routing. Once selected, make sure the sample rate matches your audio interface, usually 44,100 or 48,000 Hz, because mismatch causes silence. Also, close other apps using the device so FL Studio can claim the driver. Now you've set the foundation. Move to device. Next, you route sound and stabilize performance. In audio settings, pick the exact output device and, if using an interface, the specific output pair. Then adjust the buffer size. Smaller buffers reduce latency but can cause dropouts. Increase it if you hear no sound or crackles. If your driver supports release driver in background, toggle it when you need other apps, otherwise leave it off for exclusive control. Once done, test audio with FL's generator or a loaded project to confirm signal flow. Finish by confirming internal routing. Select a mixer track with a plugin or audio clip and make sure its output goes to the master and channel volume isn't 0. If you still hear nothing, bypass or rescan problematic VSDs. Some plugins hijack audio. As a fallback, temporarily switch driver to FL Studio ASIO or primary sound driver to isolate driver issues. One key troubleshooting tip: if audio is silent after changes, restart FL Studio after switching drivers so the driver resets and regains exclusive access.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.